Okay, hello once again students. In this video I am going to discuss with you the questions and answers. Okay, you will write down the questions and answers in your copy, but I will discuss with you the questions and answers here for your convenience. The first one, what do the following phrases mean to you? Discuss in class. Okay, so we are discussing online here, right? Okay, humid shadows. Okay, humid shadows refers to, I have already explained you, it refers to the dark clouds which are full of water, right? Starry spheres refers to the sky at night time which is full of stars. Okay, then what a bliss. What a bliss means what? What a blessing. Bliss means what? Blessing. Okay, now the next one. A thousand dreamy fancies into busy being start. Okay, a important one and a difficult one little bit. Okay, so a thousand dreamy fancies into busy being start means what? It means that people start having varied sweet dreams. Various sweet dreams, isn't it? And the next one, this is also a little difficult one. A thousand recollections weave their air threads into woof. Okay, it means that when people are asleep, the memories of the past come back into their mind. Okay, and they start weaving. Okay, creating what the memories of the past in the form of dreams. Okay, now second question, what does the poet like to do when it rains? When it rains, the poet likes to lay in bed and hear the rain falling on the roof of his room, right? So what is the single major memory that comes to the poet who are the darling dreamers he refers to? Okay, so we have already discussed that, and the poet remembers his beloved mother, isn't it? The memories of his mother come back to his mind when he remembers that when he was a child, she allowed him to sleep for till late and allowed him to dream. Okay, so these small children had sweet dreams in their sleep, and darling dreamers here refers to the poet and his other siblings or other brothers and sisters. And when they were kids, they used to have sweet dreams, and mother was such a loving lady that she allowed them to sleep till late so that they could continue with their dreams. So they were loved by their mother, and so they are referred to here as darling. Okay, is the poet now a child? Do you think he is a child now? No, definitely no, because we have constantly, it has been reminded, it has been referred in the poem that the childhood memories are coming back to him now. So now the poet is not a child, he is an adult. He is an adult. His mother is also now no more, right? Okay, now the next one. Uh, when you were a young child, did your mother tuck you in as the poets did? Okay, now these are all subjective questions. Okay, subjective questions, these you don't have to write, but you can think over it, right? You can think over it. You don't have to write it down in your copy, but you can just think over these questions. When you were a young child, did your mother tuck you in as the poets did? Okay, so this will this answer will differ from person to person. Each one of you have your own experiences with your mother, right? So you can just think over it. Do you like rain? Why not? Everyone loves rain, right? What do you do when it rains steadily or heavily as described in the poem? Once again, a subjective question. That means it depends. It is your personal opinion. You are going to write your own personal opinion. You don't have to write, but you can think over it. Does everybody have a cozy bed to lie in when it rains? Yeah. See, do you think that everyone, we were, throughout the poem we were appreciating rain, and we were thinking that rain is so beautiful and we can create memories, we can create paper boats, and we in the small pool of water that gathers in our near our house, what do? We run our paper boats there. So it is such a romantic idea for us. But can now the flood in Assam, right? You can see such a deplorable situation in Assam, right? People are, because of heavy rainfall, water logging, people are losing their homes, right? So do you think that everyone will be able to enjoy rain the way we are enjoying? Definitely not, isn't it? It is pain for some people also at the same time. Okay, so these are all subjective questions. You need not write all this, but you have to write the first 4 questions. Okay, 1 2 3 4, the first 4 questions you need to write in your copy. Okay, I hope you all have understood the question and answers also. I really regret the fact that the text is not clear when I speak. Okay, these are very new things for us also. We are also learning and we are also trying to upgrade ourselves. Okay, so give us some time. Maybe in my further classes I'll be able to do better with the text actually. Okay, thank you students.